it's Gideon here, back on your screen with lovely Eden, and today we are gonna make Garbanzo bean alicha. For the first timers, my name is Gideon, I'm 13, I'm a Habesha boy in America, born and raised, and my parents taught me how to cook Habesha food when I was little, so today, let's go ahead and start cooking this Garbanzo bean alicha. So guys, these are dried garbanzo beans. Once we boil them, they'll be bigger. We have some pureed onions, pureed tomato, olive oil, salt, pepper, and curry. So now let's get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start washing our garbanzo beans. Guys, so we are gonna cook our first mixture in here and our garbanzo beans in here. We washed them several times. So now let's put it on medium heat. Alright. Alright guys, let's start putting this on medium again. And put a little bit of olive oil. Wait for that to heat up. Alright guys, so let's go ahead now and put our onion. Okay guys, so we're gonna let this cook until the onions are golden brown. My aunt loves this dish, so guys, I really recommend this dish for everybody. This is vegetarian, so anybody can eat it. So let's wait until it's golden brown. Guys, so now that our onions are golden brown, we shall add our garlic and ginger puree, or I mean, cut. We didn't puree it this time because the chunks gave it more flavor, and my mom said I won't taste it apparently, so we'll see. So guys, now let's go ahead and add a tomato puree. We made just tomatoes. Alright guys, so now let's add our spices. So let's add 1 teaspoon salt. One teaspoon pepper. And 1 teaspoon of curry powder. So now, let's stir it all together. And the curry will give it a nice kick and that nice golden color. with our garbanzo beans, we wash it with tap water, and then we emptied out the tap water like 3-4 times, and then we put some fresh water up in here, and then we let it boil. So now give it a couple more minutes to let it cook, and then we'll add it with our sauce. Alright guys, so we got our garbanzo beans. Wow. So now let's put it inside with our sauce. So again, what's in this sauce is 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon curry, onion, garlic, ginger, and tomato puree, and onion. And also we shall put a little bit of Habesha butter seasoned. It's a requirement with every dish. There you go, and let's let that cook. So guys, we shall now put in our jalapeno and stir it up. And now, it's done. Alright guys, so now let's get this plated. Take 1 good scoop. Some more. Put the peppers on top. This looks yummy, guys. All you vegan and vegetarian people are gonna be so happy at this. No meat at all, no dairy, no nothing. It's just homemade. We got our injera salada right here, and our garbanzo bean alicha that we made. So guys, let's go ahead and get a little bit of this. Start plating. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try our garbanzo bean alicha. The curry's nice in it. Makes it great flavor. The jalapeno, perfect. Overall, this is a good meal. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please show us your support in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Lovely Eden.